I think my phone was hacked. What should I do? Think your phone might be hacked? That can feel stressful, but don't panic. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly what to do, step by step, to secure your phone and your accounts. If your phone was hacked, the most important thing is what you do next. Quick actions for a hacked phone. If you think your phone was hacked, start here immediately. Disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on airplane mode. Change your important passwords, especially email and banking. Enable two-factor authentication. These steps help stop any ongoing access right away. Signs your phone may be hacked. Not sure if your phone was actually hacked? Here are some common signs. Unfamiliar apps or activity. Battery draining unusually fast. Pop-ups or strange messages. Accounts being accessed without you. If you're noticing several of these, it's a good idea to take action. Actions for a hacked phone. Step 1. Start by securing your accounts, especially your email. Change passwords and use strong, unique ones. Enable two-factor authentication. Log out of all active sessions. Your email is especially important since it's used to reset other accounts. Step 2. Check your phone. Next, check your phone for anything unusual. Delete unknown apps. Review app permissions. Update your phone's software. If something doesn't look right, remove it. Step 3. Reset your phone. If problems continue, you may need to reset your phone. Back up important data first. Perform a factory reset. Set up your phone as new. Avoid restoring unknown apps. Resetting your phone can remove deeper issues if your phone has been compromised. Quick recap. Here's what to do if you think your phone was hacked. Disconnect from the internet. Secure your accounts. Check your phone for suspicious activity. Reset your device if needed. Taking these steps quickly can stop most threats. Common mistake. One common mistake is focusing only on the phone and not securing your accounts, changing nothing after a scare, ignoring email security, reusing passwords. In many cases, the real risk is your accounts, not just your device. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more SimpleTech help. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.